This is why regular stock trading is so difficult. Last week, I opened up a short position on Costco, and even though I got the direction right, I still ended up losing in the trade overall. Here's why. So Friday, June 7th, I put on a short position for Costco for 50 shares. Not super heavy, but I thought a decline in volume with the price going up, an elevated RSI level down here were some signals that this may be pulling back in the next week. So I decided to enter at 844.71. As you can see, I had a stop loss, which all good traders should use and have a responsible kind of way to trade, especially when you're shorting, because the losses could be unlimited if it just kind of rips higher. 854.04 and my exit target at 826.73. Everything was ready for this to work in my favor, assuming the stock dropped. Again, the difficult part is that you have to get the direction absolutely right almost immediately when you're buying shares or when you're shorting. If it doesn't and it goes against you, you end up losing and stopping out of your trades, which I'm going to get to in a second. But the next trading day, if we go one day further in time, ended up being kind of a continuation kind of pattern candle. So no big harm there. The day after that, there was this weird candlestick right here with this long tail where the buyers came back and said, hey, we're not going to let the price of Costco drop any further than this. And this was a sign probably that I should have gotten out of the trade. However, there was profit to be made this day where the price did drop down to this 840 level. I had about $200 in profit. So I did get the direction right to a point. But again, the buyers did come back and say, no, we're going to push this thing higher. And on the next trading day, we had a super battle between the buyers and sellers. The price ultimately moved a bit lower, but unfortunately for myself, you can see that this candlestick up here breached my stop loss level, leading to an overall closeout of my trade for a roughly $500 loss on the trade. However, if we take this one day further, this is the frustrating part about trading sometimes, you can see that I wasn't wrong. I was just a bit early on the trade with the price moving down even further down to the 837 level the next following day. So that would have been roughly, I don't know, $700, $350 of profit if I would have closed out in this next trading day. And although this could have been a profitable trade for me with this long wick, again, it's showing rejection of these kind of lower levels. There's not a lot of support strengthening this position down here. So had I been monitoring things closely and still had the trade active on this trading day, I probably should have taken profits that day because the next day there was a super bullish green candle that just confirmed that this short position is pretty much invalid since it ate up all these kind of previous candles in one. And the look for this would be to go higher now based on my technical analysis abilities. But again, I did the trade. I put the stop loss on. It worked out. I could have been profitable. But again, it's so finicky on where you put these stop losses, where you have your exit targets, that you have to monitor it very carefully. And it makes it super difficult for the average person who isn't doing this full time to be a profitable trader. I got the ultimate direction right, even though it did move up after that. I didn't get the timing right and I didn't get the stop loss right. So lessons learned for myself, but that is why you go through these positions. You document your trades. You always have a stop loss. You have a target. You have a reasonable rationale behind it. So then you can go back and learn from your mistakes and apply this to future trades. So this video was created for education and just full transparency. I did lose again $500 on this position, but again, that's not a crippling amount in my overall portfolio. It's about risk management. It's about learning, getting better, and understanding how difficult it can be to either buy or short the market, which is why I tend to use options more often than not. I have a better chance of success and I understand how to use them better. It's a bit more passive when I like to do it the way that I like to trade. So again, just pure transparency for you for this video. I lost my Costco trade, but I learned something today, so it's not a total loss. There's always small victories, even in your mistakes. My name is Andrew Ferguson. Thank you for watching. I teach new investors how stock options work using the Interactive Brokers trading platform. If you want to learn more, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.